Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K8. In this video I'll show you how to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. To enter Bluetooth pairing mode on your keyboard, firstly switch the keyboard to Bluetooth mode and then press and hold F1 button and 1, 2 or 3. This keyboard has multi-device pairing function, thanks to which you can connect it simultaneously to 3 devices. Here we've got the Bluetooth connection indicator. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.